subscribers. They've been asking me, how could I change my own commercial door? We can do that right now, and I'll show you right now. Come on over here. Just so you know, usually there's a plate right here. Get over here. There's a plate right here with 3 screws. One there, one there, and one there. All you'd have to do with a Phillips head, of course my plate's missing, is unscrew it, and the plate just comes out. Then when you're done, you put the plate back in, screw it in. All right, I just want to show you now for the mortise lock right here. This is your mortise lock. Okay, there's a side screw right here on the side that we got to unloosen. Hold on one second. I'm going to actually get this in. Take a small flathead, come right here, and start unscrewing. I already unscrewed it a little bit to make it easier. So you would unscrew it, make it come out like halfway. Don't make it fall out. I always do it like halfway. Then I would come with a flathead and actually just turn it like this. And now what you're doing is you're making the lock pop right out. Okay, now say if we wanted to replace the lock, here's another lock right here. We could throw on this right here and replace it. I don't want to replace my store lock, but you can replace it. Now I'll show you how to put it back in. Yeah, you know, sometimes it can get tricky when you're putting this in. So what I usually do is I line it up, make sure it's good in there. I'll take a flathead and hold my thumb down there, and you gotta keep turning till it catches. Sometimes, you know, it's hard to do it with gloves. Sometimes you do it with your hands. See, I cold my hands. Then I go, keep turning. And usually that seems pretty good right there. Now what I'll do is I'll check. Actually, I don't have the key, but hold on one second. A lot of hands-on over here. Getting everything done. Let's see which key it is. This one. Got so many keys on this one. Okay. Should be this one. All right, now I'll check it before I tighten it. Yeah, see? See, it didn't turn that great. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably try to turn it. See if we can turn it one more time. Nope. I'm gonna go the other way. Right here. You gotta make sure it's also level. Level's got a lot to do with that. See, that's perfect. I wish that it wasn't level. You gotta make sure that it's perfectly straight. Now after that's done like that, come back to this side screw and then tighten it back up. Just like that. Now it's nice and tight. See, when that screws in there, now it can't turn. You understand? No matter what, if I put this in there and go hard, it won't turn. When you go to take that screw out, and you go to turn it, that's how it turns, because this actually holds the lock in place. Okay, now